Good day, roller skaters. Today we're going to be talking about a common obstacle. I'm sure you guys have seen it at your local skate park. Jazz and I call it a cheese pie, but it's like a little fun box on a corner. And the idea here is to kind of use this corner. You can do all kinds of variety of different tricks here. In this case, we're just going to be jumping across at an angle, at a turn. And basically, ultimately here, I'm going to be jumping across the top of this from this ramp and landing on that ramp as a turn kind of jump. And they're really fun. So I recommend starting off something a little smaller. Behind Jazz here, we have a little kicker here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just roller skate around, come up to it. I'll show the stance first. Come up at, you want to come up at an angle, real low, knees bent, arms out in front of you, and your head over your, you want to be leaning forward a little bit as you're doing this as well. So I'll go back here and get a little speed. Come up, stay low. Pick up your feet and land real soft. It's really key. So I'll come around and do it again.
Okay.
Get a little speed built up. Stay low. Just float that thing.
So when do you pick up?
I pick up just before the top.
Okay.
But it's going to depend on your ramp, how high it is, how long of a transition you have. And it's just something you're going to have to get used to. It's case by case, ramp by ramp, whatever you want to say. So it's just do it within your own comfort zone. So once you're comfortable with doing those little hips, then you want to maybe move up to something more challenging here, where in this case, I'm going to try to jump across that flat there. In order to do that, I'm going to need some speed. So I have to get up on this box behind Jazz and show you guys how it's done. Ready?
All right, let's see it. He's coming around in order to get on top of this platform to head toward the cheese pie.
So I got to use this ramp here, and I'm going to jump down, stay to the right-hand side, and slowly make a curve, a turn, as I go up and just cut across that flat corner. These are really fun.
All right. Whoa, dang.
Yeah.
Big jump there.
Do it again, one more time.
Once more? Okay.
So we're going to start back,
Uh-huh.
get some speed, pump down, jump across.
All right. Woo! All right, nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
That does look cool.
It's really fun.
Like you're
It's smooth.
flying.
So those can lead into doing not just jumping across, but you can do 180s, 360s, 270s, whatever. And I'm working on those. So if I get those down, I'll show you guys how to do those. But for now, for today, hopefully you guys found this useful, this jumping the little cheese pie thing. It's so fun. So if you like the video, hit that like. For more content, hit the bell. And we appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again. See you guys later. Bye.